I'm Mandy Dollary. I just finished studying my advanced diploma of graphic design. I've been working in hospitality for over 30 years. I wasn't actually using my creativity at all, so I decided to look for another career path, and everything that I found was actually telling me that I needed to do graphic design. I thought it was all about logos, but it's not. There's so much more. Right from taking photographs, doing the layout, doing the stories, the colours, everything. There's just an incredible amount there. The Gordon's actually amazing. It's very hands-on and the teachers are very dedicated, so I enjoy being there.
I guess Mandy hasn't been doing graphic design for very long, but because she's had this complete history of her incredible artwork and her incredible illustration, seeing her be able to take that to the next level it's been a treat for all of us here at the studio. I don't think she really realises how incredibly talented she is. She's just doing everything for other people, and she's just that kind of person that I feel like she deserves it more than anyone that I know.
I'm now volunteering once a week with Encompass, and I'm also helping them in my own time do things like logos for bags, etc., whatever they need. That would have to be my biggest accomplishment. In the future, I'd like to use my illustrations in the digital format that I can now do since doing graphic design, and create my own book.